that these teams are coming down to play in Goa. After many years, foreign teams are in Goa. My request to all the football lovers in Goa to please come for these matches. See, if you all come for the matches, the stadiums will be full. The teams will also be playing good, looking at the crowd. So म्हाका सगळ्यांनी मातशें येवचें आनी गोवा फुटबॉल असोसिएशनाक फुटबॉल जो असो वयर काडपाक आदार दिवचो.
Siketba, खंय आयज गोंयचे प्लेयर्सांक they have a lot to learn. You think that players will be inspired, the Goan young team will be inspired by this?
100%. हेका लागून गोवा फुटबॉल प्रेसिडेंट डॉक्टर कायतानो फेर्नांडीस येवन आपल्याक सांगता गोंयचो गव्हर्मेंटाक तो चीफ मिनिस्टर डॉक्टर प्रमोद सावंताक हे सगळी तयारी केल्या आनी ह्यो दोन टिमी हाडून बरेंच हो टुर्नामेंटाचो दर्जो वयर काडटले म्हूण म्हाका आस आसा.
Movement for Goa and GFA and entire country that first time Australian club is participating for the Bandodkar Trophy, and it will be immense pleasure to welcome them at the airport. And they are the, like, if you see them player, you feel that top class player compared to our teams. Let's hope they show the better performance, and our players should also learn how they play. This is our exchange program, like, so Australia and India, 4 Indian team, Australia and Argentina team, they will play. Let's hope the good competition and win the best team.
Yes, sir. As when this team is coming, this is for the first time that a team is come to Goa, especially under your leadership. How is the moment for the Goan players? It is inspiring for them?
Entire Goa is eagerly waiting for them to see their performance, and our club are also ready. FC Goa, then Dempo, Churchill Brothers, Sporting Club the Goa. So we also are taking here in our gene. There is a football in a Goan. So let's hope for best and enjoy the team, and let them also enjoy the culture of a Goan, and enjoy our climate also in Goa.
Yes, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.